Fans of Sister Wives were not happy with Kody Brown's reaction to Meri and Robyn cooking Thanksgiving dinner together on the show's January 9th episode. The Brown family was separated for Thanksgiving on the January 9th episode of Sister Wives, but Kody Brown was still able to spend the holiday with two of his wives, Robyn Brown and Meri Brown, as they agreed to follow his COVID safety guidelines. Robyn and Meri spent the day preparing a meal for the small group that had gathered together, which including Robyn and Kody's kids. However, Kody was not happy to see the two women working together in the kitchen. "I would never again for the rest of my life want to have wives sharing a kitchen," he said. "There is a tendency, from what I've seen, for there to be this vying for power or position or relinquishing power and position to get along. So personally out of just knowing women's nature, I don't give a damn about what polygamists believe about what you should do with wives to make them grow and become celestial. I never want to see my wives sharing a kitchen, ever." As the episode aired, Twitter blew up at Kody for his misogynistic viewpoint. Kody just said he never wants to see his wives sharing a kitchen ever. "This man needs to go straight to hell and don't look back," one person wrote. Someone else added, "Kody thinks he can dictate kitchen use? How do you spell control freak, Kody?" And another viewer wrote, "When Kody said he never wanted to see his wives sharing a kitchen ever, my middle finger went up almost immediately." Related gallery. Sister Wives, photos of the TLC show. Meanwhile, Meri and Robyn actually had no issues working together in the kitchen. "I'm really comfortable here with Robyn in her kitchen," Meri admitted. Robyn added, "Meri and I actually work really well in a kitchen together. I don't know how it would be if we lived together and shared a kitchen, but when we work together for the holiday, we actually work really well together." While Meri and Robyn spent Thanksgiving with Kody in Arizona, Janelle Brown and Christine Brown traveled to separate family members' homes for the holiday. Both Janelle and Christine have expressed that they think Kody's COVID safety rules are ridiculous throughout this season of Sister Wives. They have opted to spend time with their adult children, as opposed to Kody, due to his strict guidelines.